Hi, I'm Bier. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Patio, the show I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hi guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Patio. I am Bier and today I am outside this little Thai restaurant which is opposite Hannah Apartments on Soi Khao Noi. Today we'll be talking about Thai food, so like taste and all that stuff. Let's go and have a eat.
Okay, Bier, so we're talking about Thai food and you've brought me to a location where it's really spicy here because I can inhale the fumes. How do you say spicy? If I want a spicy dish, how would I say I want it spicy?
So how you would say spicy is pet.
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 Okay, and for most people that don't like a lot of spice, how would you say I don't want it not spicy?
Not spicy would be mai pet.
My pet.
My pet. Yeah.
Okay. And what about some food that's quite bitter? How do you say bitter?
Oh, you say khom.
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 All right.
Yeah.
And sweet, how would you say sweet?
Wan.
Wan.
Wan. Yeah. Wan.
Okay, so like sweet and sour is wan.
Yeah.
Okay. And sour?
Sour is biao.
Biao.
Biao. Yeah.
Oh,
biao.
okay, cool. Well, that's quite straightforward. So let's just go through those again. So spicy.
Pet.
Pet. Not spicy.
Mai pet.
My pet. Bitter.
Khom.
Khom. Sweet.
Wan.
And sour.
Biao.
Biao.
Biao. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of my next lesson. You can also comment below if you have any questions to ask me. And if you would like to support our channel, you can buy us a coffee in the link below in the description. In our next lesson, we'll be talking about different times to eat, which is lunch, breakfast, etc. Thanks for watching and goodbye.